Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best cat litter robots. After hours of researching, we have selected the 5 best cat litter robots and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information and updated prices, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. PetSafe Simply Clean Automatic Litter Box. For smaller cats up to 15 pounds, the cost-effective PetSafe Simply Clean Automatic Litter Box is suitable, albeit it should be left unplugged for kittens under 6 months old. Each hour, a full rotation of the slow-moving, whisper-quiet conveyor system removes waste by sifting the clumping litter of your choosing. The garbage can be lined with recycled plastic bags, saving money on additional accessories. A 30-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty are included with this litter box. Pros: conveyor sifter continuously removes garbage and is cost-effective. Cons: cats above 15 pounds should not use this. Number 2. The Litter-Made Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box. The Litter-Made Multi-Cat Self-Cleaning Litter Box is intended for use with numerous larger cats, as its name suggests. The paw cleaning rampant and high walls prevent your cat from kicking out litter while it is covered, and they both work to prevent litter from being tracked outside of the box. The container holds a week's worth of trash, and the electric rake works through any clumping litter. The self-contained waste container's carbon filters keep odors in check with the clumping. A 90-day money-back guarantee and a 1-year warranty against defects are included with this litter box. Pros: excellent for numerous or huge cats. Litter cannot leave the box because to the high walls and paw cleaning pad. Filters with carbon reduce odor. Cons: the waste may become wedged behind the rake. Number 3. PetSafe ScoopFree Ultra. Self-cleaning litter box is a popular product that utilizes disposable crystal litter trays that are pre-filled and have great odor-locking and moisture-absorbing properties. The litter box, which is available in 3 colors and comes with a 1-year warranty, also includes a health counter to track how often your cat uses it and alert you to potential health problems. 5, 10, or 20 minutes after your cat urinates and defecates, the automatic rake sweeps solid waste into the enclosed receptacle integrated within the disposable tray. It grooms the crystals in order to have fresh litter for future use. Detection sensors automatically reset the rake's timing if a cat enters during the cleaning cycle. Every few weeks, simply dispose of the litter box and replace it with a fresh one. Pros: per-filled disposable litter trays contain odors and absorb moisture. Each tray is swept away by an automatic rake after a few weeks. Cons: in humid areas, do not use it. Self-cleaning ScoopFree Ultra Cat Litter Box. Number 4. PetKit Pura X. Using an internal cylinder, the PetKit Pura X completely rotates the litter reservoir through a filtering screen, removing clumps of cat waste. Similar to the litter robot, it may be programmed to clean manually, based on a timer, or when a cat uses it. The Pura X is silent, simple to clean, and has an enticing design that resembles a starship piloted by your cat. The opening was smaller than that of the litter robot 4. Large felines may find Pura X to be less enticing. Similar to the litter robot, the Pura X deposits garbage into a sealed pan. PetKit utilizes a deodorant spray instead of a charcoal filter. The Pura X is the greatest litter box for odor control that we've evaluated. Pura X's design differs from litter robot 4 in a number of areas, making their selection a matter of personal preference. This is visible in the UI of the device. The Pura X is a more basic interface, with simply 2 buttons, used to manage the litter box's small OLED display. Number 5. AI. Self-Washing Cat Box. The ReviewGeny AI fully removes the need for litter. This groundbreaking litter box makes use of unique granules that are raked to remove solid waste. Rinse with a sanitizing solution, and then blown dry, ensuring that your cat always has clean, fresh litter. The granules are constructed of natural elements that decompose through bacterial action in a septic tank or landfill, making them suitable for use in septic systems. Using a cold water hookup and a drain to flush the waste, the litter box is another consumer favorite and is simple to install in your bathroom or laundry area. A plumber is not required. Several times a year, the washable granules and sandy solution need to be replaced. The ReviewGeny app offers status updates on the cleaning cycles and lets you keep track of how frequently your cat uses the restroom, which can help identify any early health issues. You can decide if you want the cleaning to happen after each time your cat uses the toilet or at predetermined intervals throughout the day. Large or tiny cats can use it, and a privacy dome can be bought separately. Pros: a connection for a cold water flushing system. No need for litter. Compatibility with apps. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.